Hey there, John Ferryman, the CEO of Balance Physical Therapy and Human Performance Center. I'm standing in the elevator lobby of one of our 7 clinics here on the beautiful central coast of California, and I wanted to have all of you physical therapists, physical therapy assistants out there consider something. Are you fulfilled? Are you fulfilled? Are you going to work every day, launching out of bed, running to the clinic, excited about what it is that you're doing and about what it is that you're creating? If not, here's my question. What are you doing? The reason that I'm speaking to you right now is that I would like you all to consider your careers as a reflection of who you want to be in this world. We're all caregivers. We love taking care of our patients. We love seeing them progress. We love taking them through challenges and getting them to believe that they can do far more and accomplish far more than they ever thought possible prior to working with us. However, I know that because of the challenges faced by our profession, many of us are out there languishing in our careers. We're seeing far too many patients. We feel as though we're not getting paid what we're worth. We feel as though the clinics are literally just slamming patients in and slamming patients out, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So if you need a change, if you want to change, if you want to work with a company that sits down with you and is completely transparent about what it is that they offer, what their expectations are of you as a professional, and give you an audience to co-create your dream career with us, then we want to speak with you. We want to talk to you. We can fly you out here to the Monterey Peninsula. We can put you up for a weekend in a beautiful hotel. We can have you in for a tour of one or many of our clinical facilities, and we can co-create the career of your dreams. That is what we're building here. We are not private equity owned. We are still privately owned by physical therapists, and we pride ourselves on being the best in our area for what it is that we do. Outpatient physical therapy is my passion. I had a severe injury many years ago. That's how I personally became interested in the field of physical therapy as a freshman in college. Now, 24 years later, 7 clinics and nearly 40 providers on board, we are building something that all of us as physical therapists can be proud of, and we want you to be a part of it. If you're interested, and if this resonates with you in any way, please DM us Level Up down below, and we'll contact you. Thank you.